Hey, it's so good to see you again. Thanks for stopping by. So today we are still playing with the Colourpop Disney Villains collection. The palette I'm using is Misunderstood. Right there's the baby, the full palette. And today I'm focusing strictly on Hades. So since I'm going to start with the palette, I'm going to swatch a few of the colors, not all of them, just the ones that inspired by Hades. Make sure to check out the video right here for Cruella, and everything in this video is going to be Hades, Hades, Hades. This is going to be the Hades collection.
Okay, fine, I'm cool, I'm fine.
The Misunderstood palette runs $22, and I'll put a link down below so you can get it. Colors are Underworld. That's a really nice color. Nice little beigey color. Pan and Panic. Ooh, that's like an interesting gold. The Fates. Wow. Gonna be an interesting look. Tragic. And Tragic is like a really light pink. So those are the 4 colors I'm gonna be working with today. This is Tragic. Actually came out pretty well. Then I went in with the Fates. Pain and Panic. And I gotta say, I love how it's blending out. It's just like, oh, the colors are so vibrant. I'm really surprised at how well they're showing up. Underworld. So we also have a Jelly Much Shadow, and it's called I Own You. Yeah, it is very jelly. Put that right there. Oh wow, that is a gorgeous pink. I went in with the Jelly Much eyeshadow and basically just used that as a liner. And it is a beautiful pink. I gotta say, I'm super in love with this color. This is the final eye look. I'm quite pleased with it. If only I could use my real lashes, but you know, what am I gonna do? So we have a lip gloss, and it's called Hot Headed. Looks very peachy, actually. Ew. Yeah, it's not that glossy. The peach doesn't come through at all. Not a fan of their lip glosses. I had the same issue with Cruella, so I'm just gonna say thanks, but no thanks. This runs $7, so you must really want a lip gloss to get this one. Next up is a lipstick, and it's obviously called Hades. Love the packaging. It's so cute. Oof. And there it is. I don't know if you can actually see the Villans logo embedded in there, but it's there. This also is very peachy. Interesting. It's like a pinkish peach. Very light. Oh no. It's a little too light for me. Looks good. So I put some lip liner on and it toned it down a little bit. It's better. So this is what it looks like. Lastly, I also have a Super Shock highlighter, and this is called Everybody's Got a Weakness, and there is the color. Oh wow, it feels awesome. Ooh, still in the pink vein, honestly. Also really light. I like that it's so light so you can build it up for idiots like me that just like pile it on. And the highlighter runs $10. So that was everything in the Colourpop Disney Villains Hades collection. The colors look so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, check out my Cruella video and see if it's something that you like. See you later. Cheers.